Hello?
Hello po.
Hi, magandang
Hi. Good
gabi.
evening.
If you're calling from the country tonight, magandang gabi sa'yo. Are you in the Philippines?
Apo.
Okay. Sige. What is your name?
Ken po.
Ken. I'll call you Ken. How do you spell your Ken?
Ken.
Normal, no? Normal yan. Sa panahon ngayon, maglalagay pa ng H dyan. Si Ken ay ilang taon na po?
25 po.
And where are you calling from?
Negros po. Occidental.
Oh.
Visayas.
Anong kahulugan ng Occidental tsaka Oriental?
Yung sa NIR lang, dalawang nahati po sa dalawa yung Negros Island region, yung Occidental then Oriental.
Hindi, alam ko lang kasi may meaning yan eh. Halimbawa, pag sinabing Davao del Norte, ang kahulugan ay north of Davao. Pag Davao del Sur, south of Davao. Yung Occidental, anong kahulugan nun?
Ano po? West? Paano? West?
Ha? Wag na.
Di ba ako sure? Correct me if I'm wrong. West po yung Occidental.
Hindi kita makukorek kasi hindi ko alam. Kaya
Parang yan po. Western saka Eastern.
Okay. Ayun pala yun. Directional din pala, no? Okay. At least we learned something today. At ikaw na taga yan, di ka sure. Ha? Bisaya ka, ano ka, Ilongga? Ano yan?
Ilonggo po.
Ilonggo din yung unang caller natin. Oo.
Ang dami pong problema ng mga Ilonggo.
Sorry. Natawa ako doon. Alright, Ken. What do you do, Ken?
Ano po, may business lang po.
And what is the business?
Car-related po. Mga tire.
Okay. Di alam mo yung sukat ng gulong. Memorize mo, no? Ha?
Di naman masyado.
Negosyante ka? Batang edad?
Opo.
Talaga? Sige. May asawa ka na?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. May boyfriend?
Opo.
Matanong ko lang, paano ka nagka-business?
Family business po. Then, sadly, yung parents ko, they passed away.
Oh, so sorry. Both of your parents?
Opo.
Oh, panganay ka, ma'am?
Hindi po. Dalawa po. Bunso po ako.
Okay.
Dalawa po.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
How long ago?
This year actually, yung dad ko. Yung mother ko, 9 years ago.
Okay. What can I do for you tonight?
Si-share po ako dun. Just ask for advice about love.
Go ahead.
Okay. So, paano ba? Next year po, I'm getting married next year. But recently, yun po, I started having doubt if ipo-push through ko yung marriage yung wedding.
Don't. Hindi natin kailangan pag-usapan ng details. Don't.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
But you wanna know why I said don't?
Bakit po?
You know, maliwanag when you take your vow, tatanungin kayo doon. In simpler manner, natanong lang kayo doon kung wala ba kayong kahit anong bahid ng alinlangan. Tama? No matter how petty your reasons are, or no matter how profound it will be, if you have that shred of doubt, you shouldn't marry the guy. But anyways, pag-usapan natin. How long have you been with this guy?
2 years.
2 years.
Magto 2 years ako.
Okay.
2 years next month.
How long have you been engaged?
6 months.
6 months. Are you pregnant or hindi naman?
Ay, hindi po. Hindi naman po.
Okay. So he must love you very much to propose.
Yeah, mahal ko din naman po siya.
Okay. So why the doubt?
Kasi I feel po na hindi po ako accepted sa family niya. And yeah, ganun po.
Paano? Tell me about it.
Kasi we decided po to, yun nga, we decided to get married before I even met his family, his parents, not family, his parents po, kasi hindi naman nandito. And plano pa lang po namin to fly out there next month after New Year.
Okay. So understandable yung disappointment na magulang niya. Am I reading the room right? Nagplano kayo na magpakasal bago kayo magsabi sa magulang.
Nagsabi naman po, pero hindi po kami nagkita. Balik sila lang.
Asan ba sila?
Sa China po.
China?
Opo.
Okay. So Chinese descent sila?
Opo.
Okay. Okay.
Then, yun nga po. Then, because of ganun po, nagkaka-gap sila. Yung boyfriend ko po. Then, yung mother niya. Which is, ayaw ko nga po. Na,
what exactly? Ano talaga yung bubog ng magulang niya?
kasi daw bata pa po ako. Then, the guy is older than me. Way older.
What do you mean? How older is older than you?
He's 48 po.
Okay. So, anong ayaw sa'yo na magulang?
Kasi nga daw, bata po ako. Then, if iiwanan ko rin daw po ganun, then, parang na if tatanda na po daw kahanap na ko ng bago, mga ganun.
Do you believe them?
Hindi po. Hindi naman po ganun yung intention ko. Actually, I gusto ko rin po siyang kausapin, but ayoko po maging like too pushy or like iintayin ko na lang po ba mag-meet kami, ganun. Pero kating-kating na po talaga akong gusto ko siyang kausapin na like yung formal po na, pero sometimes nati-think ko po, ba't ko po gagawin yun? Ba't ako yung gagawa nun? Like, ba't ko po kailangang i-prove? Hindi naman pa nga kami magkakala. Pero yun nga po, anyway, ayoko
okay,
po
wait.
nag-aaway.
So, with how you sounded, so hindi lang pala magulang yung ayaw sa'yo, ikaw din ayaw mo sa magulang niya.
Ay, hindi po. hindi po ganun.
It sounded that way.
Sorry. It sounded that way. Hindi po. Gusto ko nga po silang kibalanan, but nakakababa ng, you know. So,
Hindi naman, magulang niya yun eh.
Hindi na, okay.
One day magiging alam mo ganito yun.
Ayaw ko lang po kasi na may
No,
parang
wait lang.
issue sila kasi
I'm gonna tell you something.
Apo.
One day, if in case matuloy kayo maging magjowa, mag-asawa pala, yung magulang niya ay magulang mo na rin.
Apo.
Right?
Apo.
Yung magulang niya ay magulang mo na rin. And the fact that you're apprehensive, na parang feeling mo, pag ikaw ay lumapit sa magulang niya, it becomes a defeat sa iyo. that says a lot.
Opo.
Di ba? Kasi yung mga bagay na yan, you shouldn't mind that eh. Now, iniisip ko, coming from your boyfriend's, perspective, para sa kanya siguro, right age na ako eh. Whether you have the blessing or
Yun nga
not,
po.
di ba? Whether my parents would have the blessing or not.
Ayaw ko po ganun.
Mhm.
Kasi alam ko po yung feeling na wala pong parents, and parang hindi ko po gusto na mag-aaway sila because of that. And wala naman talaga. Parang ang bigat po. Ganun. So, pero okay naman po kaming dalawa. And then, may mga anak na po kasi siya. He said, okay naman kami. But, yun nga sabi niya, ba't ko daw po problemahin yung parents nga po na kasi wala naman po daw dito sa yun nga po, right age, blah, 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 ganun po. Pero, yun nga, ayaw ko lang yung pong magsama na may mga parang tumututol, ganun po.
Well, alam mo, totoo niyan, you cannot make the entire world like you. That's the bottom line. But, diba? But, may exemption kasi yan sa magulang niya. Magulang niya kasi yan.
Make sure, I'm sorry, ano po?
Okay.
Dito po na rin.
Exempted kasi yung magulang niya sa maraming rules. Kasi nanay at tatay niya.
Yeah.
Diba?
Opo.
Pwede mo sabihin na wala akong pakialam sa buong mundo kung ayaw nila sa akin. But then again, may exemption yan sa magulang niya.
Opo.
Kasi magulang niya yun eh.
Opo.
Diba? Kumbaga, yung mga parents natin, they operate on a different set of rules. Tama?
Opo.
Mm.
Opo. Natatakot po ako magharap kami. So,
Kailan ba kayo maghaharap ng magulang niya?
January po.
Kailan yung supposed kasal ninyo?
March.
Ba't mo ako tinawagan, ma'am?
Kasi po, nagda-doubt na po ako if sure ba ako sa ginagawa ko.
Can you not move it to a different time? You know what's the best course of action para sa'yo ngayon?
Hindi po.
Be honest. Sa kanya. Tell him that, di ba? Kasi alam mo, the two of you are operating on a different timeline. Because you are just 25 years old. Tama?
Opo.
And he is 40 plus years old. Magkaiba kayo ng timeline. You can take your time, but he's got lesser time than what you have. Tama, mali?
Opo.
But it doesn't mean that you have to compromise your own timeline just to fulfill something sa kanya kasi yung timeline niya hindi pasok sa timeline mo. Hindi rin fair sa'yo yan. Hindi fair sa'yo yan. Hindi nyo kailangan maghiwalay. Kailangan nyo lang i-delay muna yun. Because you know that marrying someone, especially in the Philippines, di ba?
Opo.
Naman dito, wala tayong... for now, it's a one-way street eh. Papasok lang lahat, walang palabas dyan eh. And you're young, you're 25. The things that are important to you, the things that you think are important to you now, may not be the important things to you in the future. And plus the fact that 2 taon pa lang kayo. May mga loose ends pa. Tama?
Opo.
So you really have to take your time. Tsaka kasal yan eh. Dapat yan, flawless yung decision mo dyan eh. Hindi dapat nag-aalala ka kung tama ba to?
Hindi nga po. So I was thinking po if tama po ba if like I'd try to call or message yung mga pahapyaw lang na yung parents niya. It's not that...
Ano pa? Sorry.
I'm asking po if okay po ba na if I message or call yung parents niya
No,
before
no, no,
we
no. Let it
or
be him. No, no,
una
no, 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 no. Let it be him. It has to be him. You cannot go around him. It
po.
has to be him. Magulang niya yun eh. It shouldn't be you. It has to be him.
Parang nakakaano lang po, sorry po, na ano po kasi ako sa control freak ako din.
Ano
Eh,
na? Ano
like,
po?
kasi po, control freak, may pagka-control freak po ako. Then now, may problema ako, then I cannot do something about it. Parang
Well, you are in a relationship. Ken.
Opo.
Diba? Yung pagiging control freak mo, apply mo yan sa karir mo. Sa negosyo mo. That
Mhm.
will serve you. That will serve you okay. So relationship doesn't work that way.
Okay po.
Well, my advice to you is
Mhm.
talk to him to delay the wedding. Hindi naman tawag niyo to? Hindi wala namang contest.
Kaya,
May date na ba kayo? Meron na kayong date, ganun.
opo.
May may mga supplier na ganun.
Opo.
Alam mo ganito yun it's
Kaya
better that you
nakaka-stress.
it's better that you disappoint these people. Wag kang mag-alala, yung mga supplier na yan. You wouldn't be the first
Opo.
couple, di ba, na mag-move ng date. Hindi kayo ang unang couple na yan. Okay?
Opo.
So, i-move nyo na lang muna. Mas magandang ito yung mga taong ma-disappoint nyo na lang for now kaysa ma-disappoint nyo yung sarili niyo in the long run that it was a half-baked decision. Yun lang ang problem ninyo eh. Yung magulang siguro it will take time para to warm up sa iyo, di
Yeah.
ba?
And hoping po ako na like, eventually they would come around.
Yeah.
So,
May
ayoko rin,
mm,
sorry po.
sorry.
Ano pa?
Go ahead.
Ayoko din po na like mag-strain yung relationship nila because of this. And at the same time, ayoko rin maghiwalay kami just because ganun po. So, yun nga po, I'm thinking of paano ko, like, paano ko
Kung
na
paano,
lang mag-set
kung paano sabihin sa kanya?
At sinabi ko actually sa kanya po, na gano'n, na I'm having doubt kasi ayokong may mga away-away, gano'n.
Mhm.
And then, yun nga, yung sabi niya nga, hindi naman ako sabi niya daw, hindi naman daw siya nag-a-ask ng approval nila or something. Parang, yung gano'n.
Pero hindi pa rin tama na in bad faith kayo ng magulang.
Yun nga po, ayoko pong gano'n.
Oo. Because
Sa kanya siguro
you are
parang,
starting it, 'di ba, nang mali yung relationship kagad. So hindi okay 'yun. Well, unang-una sa lahat, wag natin pagtalunan pa 'to, no?
opo,
You're in doubt. Period. Tama?
yes,
And you're not supposed to agree on something that you doubt. Yun na lang, basic na lang. May point?
opo.
May point. You're not supposed to agree on something that you don't completely believe. Tama, mali? Well,
And yun nga lang yung mga, kakasabi niyo nga po, yung mga mga supplier, gano'n, nakakaano lang. Yeah, but thank you.
anything more you want to ask me?
Actually, yun lang naman po. If Na nasagot mo na rin naman, I should make the first move. Pero yun nga, huwag na lang muna. Hintayin ko na lang siguro po na mag-meet kami in person. Yeah, yun lang po.
May sabihin ako sa'yo.
Opo.
And not at any point I'm casting more doubt sa already doubtful na sitwasyon mo. But ayoko na matapos itong usapan natin na hindi ko sinasabi sa'yo to. Ready?
Opo.
Let me start by saying you are just 25 years old. You are yet to see what the world can offer you.
Okay.
If you love this guy, then love each other. Wala na masama doon. But at that age, I'm just saying, with everything that's going on in your life, huwag ka magagalit. I'm afraid that a big part of your decision making is that you're trying to fulfill or fill in some void deep down inside. You might want to look at that. Kasi ngayon, hindi man din pag-usapan to kung hindi tinanggaling sa word na doubtful ka. And I guess your doubts, hindi lang yan dun sa arrangement sa family or whatnot. That cascades to all aspects of your life. So at your age right now, you're just practically learning your full potential in life. All I'm saying is give it some more time to know exactly what you want to become in life.
Yes po. Thank you.
You have not made enough mistakes in life and learn from it. Sa edad na yan. I'm just saying.
Yeah, tama po.
Yeah. Alam mo, there's no substitute to experience. And what I meant by that is there's no substitute to learning from your own mistakes. You get to benefit from the lessons of your Am I making sense po?
Opo.
Hindi ko alam if I am being antagonistic sa iyo. I'm sorry. I really apologize. It took me a while para sabihin sa iyo to. Kasi hindi mo to hinihingi sa akin. But I don't want to pass the chance. If I'm wrong, then
Hindi naman po.
I hope I made some sense. No?
Opo.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Thank you very much po.
Thank you rin po.
Bye-bye po.
Okay.